Here.
So 26504, if you can hear this, click your mic twice.
Put the microphone very close to your mouth and say 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, hold on. Say it again.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Loud and clear. Now, hold on. Let me get the circle of order.
Can I get my phone?
Station Papa, left turn at Delta, taxi, Fila Park, monitor ground.
1 second, yeah.
3 Joy, have you in sight, runway 12, clear land.
Now press this button twice. Okay, press this button.
Twice or once?
Once. And press this button.
9055 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 37, dew point 13, altimeter 2909. VOR Alpha circling approach and use landing and departing runway 12. Also, AirMet Tango is current for turbulence. Details are available on HIWAS and flight service frequencies. Pilot reports are requested. Advise the controller on initial contact that you have information Foxtrot. Whiteman Airport information Foxtrot 19055 Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 37, dew point 13, altimeter 2909. VOR Alpha circling approach and use landing and departing runway 12. Also, AirMet Tango is current for turbulence. Details are available on HIWAS and flight service frequencies.
Yeah, because you're going to have to use your hands.
Advise the controller on initial contact that you have information.
Now push this button. Now I'm going to talk to the ground control. I'm going to tell them who we are.
How do you hear?
I'm going to talk to the ground control. I'm going to tell them who we are. 882 Foxtrot, where we are at ROTOR F with what information, Foxtrot, and what we want to do. Taxi for takeoff. Whiteman ground, Grumman 882 Foxtrot at ROTOR F with information, Foxtrot. Taxi for takeoff.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Whiteman ground, runway 12, taxi by Alpha.
Runway 12, taxi by Alpha, 882 Foxtrot. Now, let the brakes go, but keep your feet on the pedals. I'm going to get the airplane out of here.
We close that or no?
Then we take off. Otherwise, it's going to get so hot you wouldn't believe it. You notice how hot it is. Very hot. Now, ready to steer?
Empty.
Lift your up here.
83 Joe, taxi, Fila Park, monitor ground.
Top of your right foot. We're going to turn right onto that.
26504, Whiteman Tower, how do you hear?
Top of the right foot. Press hard. There we go. Now less right foot. There we go. There you go. Notice how it turns? Now a little bit on top of left foot. There you go. Just like that. Little top of left foot. Left foot. This doesn't help. Let this go. This doesn't help. On the ground. On the ground, this does not help at all. Now at the split point up there, notice it's like this, we're going to go to the left. Wait till that point. Press up of left foot.
The whole show running 12, got a no radio here in final here. He's looks pretty high. I'm not sure he's going to get down.
Now top of right foot a little. There you go. We're going to go straight, a little bit more right foot. So that it doesn't go that way, it goes that way. Very good. Now we're going to turn right.
Okay,
Top
so
of right foot. Top of right foot. There you go. Start pressing top of right. Harder. Press hard. Top of the right foot. Like that. Very good. A little bit more. There you go. Now top of left foot. Very good. So that, there you go. Just like that. A little bit more. There you go. Now here's the engine test area. We're going to go in. Top of right foot. Top of right foot. Fire.
There's a fire there.
Yeah, fire there. Now top of left foot.
Bonanza 345 Zulu straight to the stack, set below 2,500, runway 12 clear for takeoff.
Now press top of the left foot all the way in. There we go. Now top of right foot quickly. A little bit more right foot. There you go. There you go. Okay, now we're going to test our engine. Okay. I'm going to bring it in like this.
can you give me water?
Let me get a sip of water myself.
Yeah. Now, I have a question.
Yes?
In the middle of the flight, I can take my phone and take pictures,
Yeah.
and you can take a...
Sure, sure.
Right.
No problem. Now we're going to test the engine, okay?
All right.
Now take this throttle, push it gently in until this needle is right at my fingernail. Go for it.
All right.
1,800. A little bit more. Just a little more. Right about there. A little bit back toward you. Very good.
The 504.
We're going to check our engine gauges. Fuel pressure is good. Oil pressure is green.
And Bonanza 450, just make sure.
Oil temperature is green. Our battery is charging. Our exhaust gas temperature is okay. Our vacuum is green. Our hour meter is working. Now you're going to grab that key and go one easy click to the left. Just
That?
click. One click to the left. Good. One click to the right. Now 1, 2 clicks to the left. And 1, 2 clicks to the right. Very good.
Oh, yeah, I did two. I did two in a one.
Yeah, very good. The airplane engines have 2 spark plugs per cylinder.
Okay.
With 2 different systems, so we tested them and they work okay. Okay, good. Now we're going to do next test. Pull this out all the way. Good. Engine works with carb heat. Pull this out all the way. Good. Now push this in all the way. Trim tab is set to take off. Press this on. You're going to watch this through eyes. Yeah, it's rising. Shut it off. Turn this on. Good. This for half. It is set. Runway 12. Set. Build altitude set. Now apply the brakes fully. We're going to test the full engine power. Looks like our engine power is good. In the green. Very good. Now look over your shoulder. See that surface arm moving?
Yeah.
Move the flaps down to match it. Right there. Right there. Perfect. Now take your foot off the pedals. You're not going to use them until we land. There you go. Now what we're going to do is I'm going to take it to the runway. Some guy is landing. Okay, ready? Now we're going to go to the runway. See the runway entrance? 2 solid lines and 2 dash lines, right? Whiteman Tower, November 82 Foxtrot, holding short of runway 12 at Alpha for right downwind departure into Van Nuys airspace.
From an 82 Fox Whiteman Tower, looks like we're in the middle of a wind shift here. Winds right now 220 at 6 knots, 220 at 6. Can you accept runway 12 or do you want 30?
1 second, I think we can accept runway 12, 882 Foxtrot.
32, we're talking 106 here, so just
okay,
you can have 30 if you want it.
Okay, we'll taxi back to 30, 882 Foxtrot.
Well, I'm going to make it easy for you. Got nobody here wants you to go right on the runway. You can high-speed taxi all the way to the end and taxi off and turn around.
Roger, getting onto the runway 12, we'll taxi fast all the way to the end and make 180 to face the other way, 882 Foxtrot.
Or as slow as you want, sir.
We're not going to take off now. We're going to the other end of the runway.
Wow, it's so hot in here.
Yeah, I know, nothing I can't do here is something like...
Maybe can you hear me? How I can... Just like...
Yeah, I would put the phone away at this point. Go on full attention. Press the top of the left pedal. Okay, keep your feet up. Yeah. We're okay. Whiteman Tower, now in 882 Foxtrot on runway 30.
From an 882 Foxtrot, runway right, make that left crosswind departure, runway 30, clear for takeoff, wind 250 at 6.
Runway 30, cleared for takeoff, left crosswind departure, 882 Foxtrot. Push this tower all the way in. All the way. Okay. Now, hands on this.
It's okay, all the way in?
Yeah, all the way in. Hands on this. Forward, good play. Hold the nose up. Just a push the nose down. Push the little down. Push the nose forward.
You good?
Yeah, hold on.
Enter the doors.
Yeah, it's okay, no problem. There is fire there and wind is moving every which way.
From an 82 Foxtrot, you can start the left turn, contact Van Nuys Tower.
Roger. Starting the left turn, they'll contact Van Nuys Tower at 882 Foxtrot. Push this button.
One. Be another attempt.
Cherokee 90, continue westbound on 118 freeway, I'll call you back.
Continue 118, 98.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, 118.5 interchange, requesting transition. through Van Nuys airspace, south along 405.
Grumman 1882 Foxtrot Van Nuys Tower, squawk 0277, contact tower 120.2.
0277, contact tower at 120.2, 882 Foxtrot.
Global 2 Tango, State Park.
Van Nuys Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot, 120.2.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Van Nuys Tower, Roger, say request.
Requesting transition through Van Nuys airspace south along 405.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, approved as requested, remain east of the 405 freeway.
Approved as requested, remain east of the 405 freeway. 882 Foxtrot. Okay, now we can go. You see the 405 freeway?
Yeah.
And this is 5 freeway. To the east of 405 freeway, you see the Sepulveda Boulevard is going parallel to the 405 freeway, right down there. Do you see it?
Yeah.
We're going to turn left over Sepulveda, gently. Now turn left, very good. Push the nose forward. Forward, push forward, like, very good. Not too much.
Fuck.
Well, that's okay, it's going to move, right? It's a control. Push it and hold it like this. Push the nose like Van Nuys Airport.
Yeah, I see.
They're talking to them.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, are you going to do the usual where you go down south past the interchange, make a 180, and then return back to Whiteman, or are you going to be departing the area?
We'll do the usual affirmative, 882 Foxtrot.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, Roger, just advise your 180.
Roger, we'll advise when we are ready to do the 180, 882 Foxtrot. You see downtown LA?
Yeah, downtown.
Very good.
Let's go there.
That'll cost you a lot more money. That's the only problem. Nose down. A little. Like that. Hold it down. Hold it down. Wind is, airflow is pushing us up.
Go down?
Yeah, like this. Oh, very good. Now you're doing well. All right, now we're going to hold the nose a little up so that it doesn't keep going. Right there. Hold it right there. Like push like this.
Like that?
Push, push, push and hold. Push and hold. Look, I'm going to let you notice the nose coming up. Push forward. Notice you're pulling it. Push forward. You're pulling it to yourself. Don't pull. Push, push. Hold it like that.
Hold that like that.
Push and hold like that. That's right. It's turbulent, so you're going to get used to this.
Oh my god.
Very good. It's a lot of turbulence today. You see that lake there? That's Lake Balboa.
Okay.
South of Van Nuys. And you can go park there for free and watch the ducks.
Oh, that's cool.
Also rent a paddle boat and paddle on the lake even.
Where do you land in Lake Balboa?
Right there. And that's Sepulveda Pass 405 freeway. Freeway going up the hill.
Yeah.
Very good. Oh, turbulent. Little down. Very good. Now you see with the big buildings going like that?
Yeah.
That's Ventura Boulevard, and you can see 101 freeway going east-west. We're going to make one sharp left 180 and go back to Whiteman at over those big buildings. I'm going to tell you how. That's Palos Verdes, Century City, and you can barely see Santa Monica.
Grumman 882 Foxtrot, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles northwestbound. I believe it's a helicopter, 1,900 indicated. He has you in sight.
Roger, looking for traffic, 882 Foxtrot. You have the helicopter inside, 882 Foxtrot.
882 Foxtrot, Roger, they got you inside as well, sir.
Roger, we're going to now execute our sharp 180 and go back to Whiteman, 882 Foxtrot.
882 Foxtrot, Roger, thank you.
Okay, now, tilt. Pull to your chest.
Oh fuck.
Pull to your chest, Air Force pilot. Pull it! Look down. Pull, pull, pull. Pull to your chest.
Oh, pull it.
Pull it, pull it. Push nose down. Push nose down.
Oh my goodness.
Look what they have done. Did you see what we have done?
I got dizzy.
All right. Helicopter passed that one.
Ooh.
Push the nose down. Yeah, there. Don't pull it back. When you push it, push down and hold down until this goes to 8 there. Notice you're letting go. Push down and hold down. Push down. Push down, down, down. You see it go down, down, like that. Get down to 8. That's good down, not too far down, just about down. All right. Now pull back up a little. Too much. Too much up. Too much.
Back.
Let go. It's gonna go whoa up like that.
I'm about to faint.
Well, come on.
Nah, just kidding.
Okay.
You have to be on 8?
Yeah, that's the Burbank jets coming and pass over us. So that's the altitude we should stay. That's a big fire. I don't know who set the fire.
Can I use my phone or no?
Yeah, you can use your phone. When you want to do that, just say your airplane and I'll control it.
Germany 2 Foxtrot, contact Whiteman 135.0, good day, sir.
135.0882 Foxtrot.
Yankee, 03 Yankee, have inside runway 30, clear to land. Again, wind picking up a bit, 240 now at 8, gusting to 18.
03 Yankee, clear to land. Roger, copy all that wind.
Whiteman Tower, Grumman 882 Foxtrot at the NDVA Hospital, Lower Sepulveda, inbound to land.
From an 882 Foxtrot, Wyman Tower, wind's picking up a little bit. Wind 240 at 8, gusting to 18. Altimeter's 29090. Want you to make left traffic for runway 30. Report down to be in the tower.
Roger, make left traffic, runway 30, report downwind to be in the tower, 882 Foxtrot. Gonna turn this way and go to 2,000 feet. Okay. You see the tower in the middle of the airport?
Yeah, oh yeah.
We're gonna go straight to the tower.
Wind 24014. 24014.
Gonna go up a little.
Whiteman Tower, I just got a new handheld. Can you see if I have a quick radar check, please?
And somebody calling on the handheld, loud and clear.
Whiteman Tower, Whiteman Tower, so you know there's somebody flying RC right off the end of the runway up here.
Runway 30 or 12?
Just flew right by me here on 30.
Whiteman Tower, 882 Foxtrot, right downwind to beam the tower, left downwind to beam the tower.
Runway 82 Foxtrot, continue downwind to the 175 split, then turn base.
Continue downwind to 175 and split and turn base, 882 Foxtrot. 175 is this thing.
And 03 Yankee taxi, exit at Bravo, taxi fuel.
Give me some flaps down. I'll tell you when to stop.
Grumman 82 Fox, turn base now, runway 30 clear to land, wind 240 at 13.
Roger, turning base, runway 30 clear to land, 882 Foxtrot.
Oh,
A little bit more flaps. More, good. You see the runway? Give me all the flaps down. You see the runway? All the flaps down. Good. Now we're going to go straight to the runway.
Yes, sir, I said taxi, fuel, and parking, just monitor ground. Wind 200 at 12.
Do you know how...
2 Foxtrot, taxi, fuel, and parking, monitor ground.
Roger, taxi to parking, monitor ground, 882 Foxtrot. Do you know how tough landing this was?
Why?
We had a wind shear, crosswind switching across the thing. Pull the flaps up. No idea how tough it was. Pull the flaps up.
Right?
Yeah, as we were coming down to the runway, you know, at a distance, all of a sudden wind changed and sucked us down.
Yeah.
So I had to put all the power in to hold us up to get to the runway. And then wind started doing this. Okay.
How much? Something like that.
The airplane?
Yeah.
They don't make it anymore. One will probably cost you around, if it's brand new, like $200,000 nearly.
300?
200.
Or 200?
Wind is going every which way, you notice?
Yeah, I can feel
It's
it.
very hot. Now we're going to go that way. Press top, hold the right pedal, very good.
Nice one.
Yeah. Gently turn here. Let me handle this because our wing is going to sweep under this airplane. Okay, now we're going to stop the airplane using the checklist. First thing you do is press this button here, DFR.
And?
DFR, this one. Then press and hold this button. Click it off. Click it off. There you go. Once it goes off, grab this and pull it all the way out. Only air goes to the engine. Guess what happened? Stops. Turn the key off and pull it all the way out and put it up here. Cut the big switch off, the red one.